Hey everybody, thanks again for tuning into OTRAMM's YouTube channel where we bring you Land Cruiser repair and modification videos. Today I thought we'd try something new. We've had a bunch of people asking for walk-around videos, like showing the trucks that are coming through the shop that aren't making it into the how-to videos. So I thought I'd start a weekly series, just what's going on in the shop, what trucks we're doing, just to go show you guys, I guess, like a behind the scenes, what's going on, you know, the day-to-day stuff that doesn't make it into the actual big how-tos. So this will be our first one. It's a little bit short because I only thought of this on like Thursday, and so I only shot a little bit of film. But it goes through what we did last week, and kind of sneak peeks some of next week. So yeah, stick around and we'll go through what we did in the shop this week. And don't forget to subscribe below. And I'll see you on the next part of the video. So we've got this 100 series that just came in for basically a pre-purchase inspection, even though it was already purchased. And it's got issues, but the biggest is rust. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to put you down here to see. I don't know if you can see all the rust. It's worse from the inside. There's holes all over in the frame and in the bottom of the rocker panels. So that one got failed. And then we've got this 80 series here that came in. We did slinky suspension on it with the Icon shocks, front and rear. And he got you know, the adjustable panhard bars. I don't know if you can really see it, but you know, caster plates. And then we also did hair up E-lockers and 488s, lower and upper and lower control arms, the shock guards, sway bar brackets, all that jazz. This one's going to be a really nice truck. We just need to go take it for alignment and test drive. And then we've got another 100 series here. This one was pretty basic. It just got a timing belt water pump job with heater tees. And one of the door lock actuators was bad. And we put a trailer hitch and wiring harness on. So simple job there. And we'll come over here, and we've got this sweet Seafoam Green 40 that we're getting ready to start on. He's getting a 3FE engine swap with a H55F 5-speed and a split case. So when I take you inside, I'll show you some of those parts. And then we've got this very well-built 80 series. And I'm still figuring out how to work this gimbal. Super nice 80 series. He's done a ton of work, and we're going to walk around this one in a future episode. It's in for rear bumper build, water to air intercooler for his supercharger, and Yoda Tech gull wings. So I'll do some more walk around on that one here in the near future. Come back in the shop. This one that's been in the background of every video we've done is finally finished. We're just waiting on the customer to come pick up. It just got transfer case rebuild, oil pan gasket, and some other minor tweaks. Just a really clean cruiser. And he's even got Now if I can get you down there. He's even got a Toyota CB, which is kind of crazy. But super nice truck. Then you can see down here we've got a bunch of parts for the 3FE in various stages of cleaning and sandblasting. And then we've got another pile over here. The shop's kind of a mess with all the jobs we've got going on right now. And then we've got the actual engine block and a lot of that in here in the parts washer getting scrubbed. And we've got some more parts in the sandblaster. I think the valve cover's in here. Yeah, valve cover and some other stuff's in there. So that's all getting cleaned up. And then we've got a 40 series with a 3B in it. And he's getting the factory alternator put back in. And the bracket down here at the bottom is the one that we showed when we were doing the milling the alternator bracket. Somebody had cut this thing off with a rusty beaver. And it was just destroyed. And then we're also wiring in Dakota Digital digital gauge cluster for it. So working on wiring that in. And then he's getting a bit of suspension work as well because it's sitting really crooked in the rear. And then we've got another 80 series here in the shop. And this one just came in, rear windshield washer didn't work, and it was just a solenoid under the dash. And then he's having us put in a rear view mirror backup camera. And it's really weird because Crash must have it powered up and I can see him in the backup camera. Wave to the people, Crash. Yes. Oh. And here you can see Crash doing some installating. I'm not going to zoom down because his pants aren't covered.
I put it in, it was upside down.
So yeah, this one's here for water leaks, backup camera, some other minor stuff. And then you can see the cooler carrier basket that I'm working on for the 80 series rear bumper for that green truck that's outside, and his bumper here on the ground. And there's the spare tire and a bunch of exhaust jigs because I was welding up exhaust last week. And then over here, we're in the process of filming a split case rebuild. And this is the H55F and split case that will be going in that Seafoam Green Cruiser outside. So yeah, that's pretty much what we've got going on at the shop this week. You know, some of this will end up being in more in-depth videos. So stay tuned for that. But I just figured a lot of people have started asking for walk-around videos. And we don't have one really to walk around just yet, but I figured I would just do a walkthrough of what's going down at the shop this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll catch you again next week. Thanks. Bye.